Ready to make your videos pop with vibrant colors using InShot? Follow this step-by-step guide to enhance your video colors like a pro. First, open the InShot app and import the video you want to edit by tapping on the video option and selecting your file. Next, tap on the filter button located at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll find various presets, but we'll focus on manual adjustments. Tap on the Adjust button to access the color enhancement tools. Start with brightness and adjust it to either brighten or darken your video until you achieve the desired look. Then, move on to contrast to make the colors in your video more dynamic. Increase the contrast for more vivid colors or decrease it for a softer effect. Next, tweak the saturation to enhance the intensity of the colors. Be cautious not to overdo it, as too much saturation can make the video look unnatural. Proceed to highlights and shadows to fine-tune the details in bright and dark areas of your video, respectively. Finally, use tint and temperature to adjust the color balance, making your video warmer or cooler. Once satisfied, preview your edits and save your video by tapping the check mark, followed by the Save button. Congratulations, your video now boasts enhanced, vibrant colors.